Unilever products from different countries. Vaseline beauty lotion from United States. Lux bathing soap from United Kingdom. Rexona deodorant and antiperspirant from Australia. X male grooming products from France. Cornetto frozen dessert from Italy. Dove face soap from United States. Knorr soup, noodles and more from Germany. Horlicks nutrition drinks from United States. BRU instant coffee from India. Vim dishwash products from India. Trust Me hair care products from United States. Taza tea from India. Sunsilk hair care products from United Kingdom. Rin clothes washing products from India. Pepsodent mouthwash products from United States. Pierce face soap from United Kingdom. Lipton green and black tea from United States. Lifebuoy hygiene soap from United Kingdom. Walls frozen desserts brands from United Kingdom. Indulekha Ayurvedic oil shampoo and more from India. Taj Mahal tea from India. Kishan ketchup, sauce, jam, butter and more from India. Red Label tea from United Kingdom. Wheel clothes washing products from Philippines. Liril bathing soap from India. Surf Excel laundry detergent from India. Hammam bathing neem soap from India. Magnum ice cream from Denmark. CIF household cleaning products from France. Domex toilet cleaner from India. Magic laundry products from India. Comfort fabric clothes washing products from United Kingdom. Annapurna atta, salt and more from India. Sunlight laundry and machine dishwash from United Kingdom. Pond's cosmetic and beauty products from United States. Denim shaving cream from France. Evian's cosmetic and beauty products from India. Brylcreem hair styling products from United Kingdom. Lakme cosmetic and beauty products from India. Close Up mouthwash products from United States. Hellmann's ketchup, mustard, sauce and more from United States. Clinic Plus oil, shampoo, conditioner and more from United Kingdom. Liver Ayush beauty and grooming products from India. Clear oil, shampoo, conditioner and more from Italy. Breeze bathing soap from United States. Ben and Jerry ice cream and frozen from United States. Boost nutritional drink from India. Fair and Lovely skin lightening from India. Men's and Fair and Lovely skin lightening from India. Three Roses tea from India. आपने अपने घर में यूनिलीवर की किन किन प्रोडक्ट का इस्तेमाल किया है कमेंट में बताएं। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें।